Hello and welcome back to Stackhouse Knives down here in Wellington, New Zealand. Thank you very much for watching. We're going to be making a hammer today. The idea of today is that we're going to be using tools made in previous videos, and you can click a video here and maybe here and here and here, however that works, to show you how making tools to make other tools is really fun. So the idea is that we're going to be combining the tools that we've made in previous videos so that we can make a hammerhead. I'm going to be using this 4140 tool steel, which is really great for hammerheads. So I'm going to be using this guy to make the hammerhead. I need to flatten the stock off, get it all prepped and shaped so it's roughly a hammerhead shape. Then I'm going to be using my hammer eye punch, which is this guy just here. Going to be using this guy to drive a hole that way into the stock and then come back through, back again the other way. I'm not going to be using the power hammer for this project. I'm going to try doing it by hand. It might take quite a while, so we'll see how long it takes. But there might be a bit of editing involved. But the idea is that I'm going to be using this stock to make. Going to be using that stock to make a hammerhead, and that's really the plan. I'm going to be using a pre-made hickory hammer handle to slide up into the hammer eye once the hammer's finished and grinded and heat treated. Once that's complete, I'm going to be charring the handle as well to give me a bit more grip. So we'll see how the project comes along, and it's going to be pretty fun. So that concludes my hammer making video. I hope you enjoyed it. There's another shot of the hammer there. It's pretty gnarly and nubbly, but I love it. It worked really well for what I wanted it to do, and I kind of like the offset style hammer where it's a little bit heavier on one side, so you can put a little bit more power into it, but depends on what you believe. But yeah, also I did a little bit of a ball peening on the cheek side of the hammers, which is just to kind of add a little bit of character to it. And the handle has been charred, so I've used a propane torch to char that with. When the handle starts to get wet and sweaty, the charring sort of adds a quite a grippy, leathery feel to the handle. So yeah, it feels more comfortable. It's just not slippery and it doesn't have a lacquered finish on it. So and it looks kind of cool being black as well. And I hope to make more hammers in the future. But for now, thank you very much for watching this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if this is the first video that you've seen of Stackhouse knives, feel free to like and subscribe to our channel, and check out a couple of our other videos as well. And you have an awesome day. Thank you very much.